Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2020 Chevy Equinox. If you're asking yourself, why is he working on a Chevy Equinox today? A 2020 at that. Well, I asked myself that same question. But we're just changing a light bulb on the license plate light, which should not be out on a 2020 with only 20,000 miles, but it is. So that's what we're doing. Tools needed for this job, just one, flat blade and a light bulb. It's the 194 small light bulbs. This one is the LED. They're like the 20, 28, 25 or something like that. I'm not sure, but you just look up the 194 equivalent and it'll show you. First thing you want to do is open up your tailgate. Mine's got the power release, so I let it go all the way up and then bring it down about halfway, and it should stay there for you. And then what you're going to need to do is take your pry tool or flat blade, just press it right in here on the side and push it over toward the outside, and it pops right out. So you're just pressing the whole, there's like a little slot right here, but you press the whole piece over and bring it down, because it's got this kind of like plastic springy piece. Right, that's better. Zoomed out a little bit. And you want to just give it a counterclockwise about a quarter turn, and that will pop loose. So you do it with one hand. And there you go. It looks like somebody's already replaced these with LED. That did not last. So I'll go ahead and insert mine and show you what that looks like. Alright, I got both of my bulbs out. So what you want to do is insert your bulb in the end. It lights up. If it doesn't light up, you want to pull it out and turn it 180 degrees and then put it back in. LEDs are specific to polarity. So let me get that in. I got these on Amazon. We'll have to see at night. It doesn't seem like it'd be very bright. It's only got that little bit of one LED chip on the end facing down. I'm not sure. Also, this is the first time I'm using these bulbs that I got on Amazon. I've used other bulbs. The base is really thick, so it's making it hard to get into the holder there. So you may want to do some research. These had good reviews, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try and, they're a bit thicker than those. So we'll see. I kind of like the LEDs that have at least chips on 3 sides. Would be nicer. But we'll see how these work at night. So it's not even nighttime yet, but looking at that, it just seemed really dim to me. So I went and found another style bulb, LED, similar to this one, with chips all the way around and on the ends. And look how much different that is. I mean, there's a huge difference. So I don't think these are gonna work. Especially how it's way too thick at the end. You can actually see right, I don't know if you could see that on camera or not, But a piece of that plastic broke right on the end, just trying to force it in. That bottom prong right there. And here's your difference at night. This bulb on this side, super bright. Kind of a yellowish tint and not very bright on that side. I mean, major difference. So, again, I repeat, you want to go with the LEDs with the chips all the way around. And hopefully they don't get too wet back there, and that's what usually ruins them. Thank you for checking out my video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider giving a subscribe and a like, and have a great day.